Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Facebook professional mode not showing. So, if you want to find this option to turn on professional mode, the first thing that you need to do is to actually open your Facebook app. You need to click on your profile picture on the top right. Then, as see from here, you need to actually click on the three dots from here. After that, this menu will appear. So if you actually don't have the option like I do from here, there's three things that you can do. The first thing is to check if you actually locking your profile. So from here you will have the option to lock your profile. So using this option you can actually lock some features, and one of them is to turn on professional mode. So if you didn't lock your profile, you can also check if you are logged in with your main profile. So if you are logged in with your Facebook page or any other thing other than your profile, you can't actually turn on professional mode. So you won't find that option. So you need to actually click on the profile picture from here and see if you're actually logged in with your profile. After that, the last thing that you can actually check for is to uninstall your Facebook app and reinstall it again, or try to update Facebook app. So now sometimes you may have some updates or your Facebook app may have some bugs. So if you uninstall it and reinstall it with the latest version, some features will be enabled for you. Try to go to the settings and then uninstall Facebook app. After that, you can go to Google Play and try to install it again. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.